Welcome back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So yeah, guys, today was an absolutely great bounce for the stock market. It had a huge rally. You'd be hard pressed to find anything that was in the red today, but there wasn't a major exception to that, and I'll get to that later in this video. But as far as S&P 500 goes, you can see it finished up 2.39 in the green. The Dow finished 1.47 in the green. Nasdaq had a great day, finishing up 3.82 in the green, and the Russell also had a nice recovery day, finishing up 3% in the green. So what's going on in the stock market? There's quite a few things going on, but there's nothing really huge happening. The news is out there that if you guys check out my video yesterday, I mentioned that basically the market rallying because they're basically pricing in like a hard landing. Hence, what we're starting to kind of, and also the Fed is also discussing that he's going to do 50 basis point hikes for the next 3 months. So that's already starting to be priced in, so it's kind of like a recovery rally. But if you notice to your portfolio, you probably saw a lot of your stocks were up today, and including it started all on Thursday with GameStop and AMC, some of them reaching over 30% on Thursday, which is absolutely wild. And ARK also reaching fresh new highs on Thursday, and the rally continued today on Friday. As you guys can see, one of the big reasons that happened is because the stock market is set up for a face-ripping short covering rally over the coming weeks or so, wrote Schultz. Basically, right now, stocks that we have eventually may go to zero, but they don't go to zero like in a week. It'll take a long time. But this right now was like a big rally for a lot of short sellers that are basically like shorting a certain stock or shorting the market. They let the stocks go back up again, and then they build short positions again. So right now, like I said, Schultz here writes that he thinks that it could last for a couple of weeks, this rally, but it's kind of like I said, shorts let it go back up, and then they start to do short selling again. As you guys can see, I actually have the articles referring to the meme stocks were having a huge rally, and it's not kidding. I actually have an index here that I made myself. I call it the meme index. So you can see all the memes are actually up except for Twitter, and I'll get to that in 1 second. You could see that Fubu, CPSH, Mulligan, Robinhood having probably the best day out of any meme stock. You could even see Sundial Growers, Palantir, AMC, GME, all having amazing days in the meme index that I have here going. But as far as the major news goes right now about, and that's about Elon Musk saying that he is putting his Twitter takeover on hold. And if you guys notice right here, Twitter is actually one of the few stocks in the market that is down, and the reason for that, kind of genius in Elon Musk's part, and I have a video that will explain everything that's going on, and will simplify it for everyone out there that doesn't know why Twitter's down right now. Take a look.
Rajan, that the bot issue, the spam issue, is not new.
Yeah, I mean, okay, the first thing, if anyone is the least bit surprised about any of this, you have not watched how Elon Musk operates over the last few years. I mean, part of me honestly believes that he's a little jealous that he has not been in the headlines over the last few weeks as growth stocks are collapsing and we're all talking about Luna. So he's pushing himself back in. But also, let's remember how genius he is at Twitter. With 2 tweets, Tesla stock is up 6% and Twitter stock is down 10%. So think about the leverage that gives him into this deal simply with those tweets. And as you were just saying, the spam bot issue should be a non-starter. He waived his rights to due diligence. And even more importantly, the spam bot issue, he's saying he wants to try to fix it, but he has all the internal information he needs. He can get anyone on the phone at any time. So clearly this is a negotiating tactic.
Basically, there you have it, guys. Elon's basically having a lot of leverage right now because with one tweet he sent out, he basically made Twitter's stock price tank, and it's basically kind of leverage saying, okay, listen, you can keep on not selling me Twitter, or I just could make your company keep going lower and lower in value by sending out these tweets. So eventually they're going to break Twitter, the board of Twitter, and they're going to sell it to him because if they see the shares going down lower and lower, makes the company value a lot less. So it's kind of like leverage he's using right now, and it's a genius move on Elon's part. But yeah, that's basically the headlines for today, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everyone. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.